So Binance just listed Gala today, and today being the 13th of September 2021, and Gala went up by about 277%. And despite the fact that all the other altcoins went down because of the little deflection in BTC, Gala still remained at about 200% higher in growth. So it means that y'all can start trading Gala now on Binance, and withdrawal is not yet available till on the 14th, being tomorrow, being just the next day, tomorrow. All right, but you can trade Gala now on Binance against BTC, against USDT, against BUSD, and as much as possible. So what is Gala, if you may ask? Gala is just a gaming NFT console. So Gala is a gaming and NFT platform that aims to build an ecosystem of blockchain games. Gala is the platform utility token and is used for node operation, incentives, network governance, in game rewards for playing platform games, in game currency to purchase items, and NFT in the Gala store. So Gala listing fee is just 0 BNB, and you can trade Gala on Binance right now, and it's really cool. Okay, so you can buy Gala as the normal way you buy other coins, and trade it on Binance and sell it, and just any other way you trade coin on Binance. So if you have gotten to this point, subscribe to my channel. You see the content I'm bringing to you. You've gotten to this point, you're not subscribed. What are you waiting for? Please subscribe now. Subscribe. Get me?